Preparations of alcohol alkene bara. So here we can prepare alcohol from alkene by acid catalyzed hydration. Again I'm repeating, मैले उल्टा भनेको छु. Okay, so alkene, then your hydration in presence of acid, like एउटामा H add हुन्छ अर्कोमा OH. Okay, and addition follows Kirchhoff's rule. Markovnikov's rule follow हुन्छ. So if we take an example like CH3CH double bonded CH2, when we do the acid hydrolysis, so हामीले H3O plus पनि लेख्नु सक्छ. Okay, so that time what happen is like your H will go to that carbon which carry more hydrogen, and your OH will go to that carbon which carries less hydrogen. So we'll get is CH3 CH, okay, OH and CH3. So delete whatever तिमीहरूको दिमागमा अघि के पढ्यो, so just delete it. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Like so acid hydration ma your addition of water follow and take Markovnikov's rule, so you will get is to propane all. Okay, now again, so if we have molecules like, again if we are doing acid hydrolysis, okay, now what happened, again the addition will take place in your double bonded carbon atom. Okay, so yeah, double bonded carbon atom addition will follow. Now addition गर्दाखेरि again Markovnikov's rule follow हुन्छ. So your this is the carbon with one hydrogen and this is the carbon with no hydrogen. यता 0 छ यहाँ 1 छ. So it follow addition follow Markovnikov's rule. So H will go to this carbon one. Okay, so you'll get is CH3 CH3, and here we'll get is OH, then single bond CH2 CH3. So this is the product when we do the acid hydrolysis, hydration, okay, hydration of alkenes. Now next, so again, alkene can be converted, okay, alkene can be converted into your alcohol by another process which is your hydroboration oxidation. Sometime you'll ask to define what is hydroboration, or you'll ask to write down the chemical reaction involved in this reaction. Okay, so hydroboration means like hydroboration like hydrogen and like diborin add हुन्छ to your alkene. Okay, now what is this reaction भन्दाखेरि diborin reacts with, what is diborin, it is B2H6. Okay, BH3 does not exist, so it will dimerize, and when it dimerize we'll get is B2H6. Okay, okay, भयो. So your diborin is your B2H6, your dimerized form of BH3 छ. So diborin reacts with alkene to give trialkyl borane. Just तिम्रो यो जुन चाहिँ छ BH3, यो तीनटा H लाई replace गर्छ alkane ले, and you'll get this trialkyl borane as addition product. Okay, now this trialkyl borane then oxidized alcohol by hydrogen products, are oxidized to alcohol, oxidized हुन्छ to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. Suppose you have your alkene CH2 CH, then double bond. Again, let us take an example of propene. Okay, now when you react it with diborin B2H6, which is your dimerized form of BH3. Okay, now what happen is like हामी BH3, so instead of writing like the B2H6, okay, instead of writing this B2H6, what we can write, second ball pen. Okay, so BH3, which is dimerized form of your BH3, right? B2H6 like we can write it as BH3 whole 2. Now what happen is like whenever you do the addition, now again addition will take place, यहाँ तिम्रो molecule will add, कुन चाहिँ molecule BH3 molecule will add, कसरी add हुन्छ, एउटा कार्बनमा H जान्छ, एउटा कार्बनमा BH2 जान्छ. Okay, so again addition हुन्छ यहाँ. So whenever alkene so reaction, most of the like unsaturated carbon compound ma addition reaction will take place. So when you react it with diborin, Okay, again the same thing, like addition will take place. Now addition, so either it follow a Markovnikov anti-Markovnikov rule, त्यो याद हुनु पर्यो ल. So first मा acid hydration मा Markovnikov's rule follow गर्छ, and hydroboration oxidation ma the addition will follow anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, additions follow Markovnikov's rule. Okay, now what happen is, like, H will go to that carbon, okay, which have less hydrogen, and BH2 will go to that carbon which have more hydrogen. So you will get is CH2, okay, CH again 2, then CH2 र यहाँको आउँछ तिम्रो BH2 है, यो पाउँछ. So तिम्रो एडिसन हुँदैछ BH2 BH3 to your double bonded carbon, your double bonded compound. Now again the same molecule, like we'll have number of alkenes, so alkenes अझै छ, so CH2CH double bond CH2 एउटा alkyl group add भयो. Okay, now next मा के हुन्छ, again the same thing will happen, like यो जुन चाहिँ double bond मा छ, again addition will follow, addition will take place. अब addition कसरी take place गर्छ, now this is the molecule, अघि BH3 थियो, now you have BH2 with one alkyl group, तिम्रो अझै दुईटा हाइड्रोजन छ. Okay, now यहाँ पनि again के हुन्छ, one H will go to that carbon which have less your number of hydrogen, and rest part BH and this alkyl group will go to that carbon which have more hydrogen. भयो, same हो तिम्रो BH3, like H लाई तिम्रो के हुन्छ, एउटा H लाई alkyl group ले replace गर्यो, तीनटै ग्रुप तीनटै alkyl group लाई सरी तीनटै हाइड्रोजन लाई के गर्छ, एल्काइल ग्रुपले रिप्लेस गर्छ. र कसरी रिप्लेस गर्छ भन्दाखेरि एडिसन विल टेक प्लेस एन्ड द्याट विल फलो एन्टी मार्कोनिकव्स रुल. सो पहिला यो ग्रुप थियो तिम्रो, ओके, CH2 CH2 CH2, then BH2 थियो, नाउ BH हुन्छ. Okay, and that H will add up to that carbon which have like more number of hydrogen, a less number of hydrogen. The BH will go to that carbon which have more number of hydrogen, CH2 and again CH3. Okay, so तिम्रो alkyl group add हुँदैछ कुनमा भन्दाखेरि नम्बर 1 कार्बनमा चाहिँ तिम्रो के हुँदैछ, तिम्रो B add हुँदैछ, या हाइड्रोजनलाई रिप्लेस गर्दै जाँदैछ. So again last one hydrogen छ, this last one hydrogen la again same thing will happen, like you have CH3 CH CH2 cha. So again your H jun cha H will come here, okay, and your jun B cha, B and rest part will come to this carbon atom. So finally you will get is like CH3 CH2 CH2B भयो, एउटा दुईटा, and with this 3 alkyl group हुन्छ, so you will get is trialkyl, okay, borane. Now after getting this we will simply do oxidation. Oxidation कसरी गर्छ, hydrogen peroxide, okay, in presence of aqueous NaOH OH minus हुन्छ. How the like oxidation will take place, so both this bond will break between your alkyl group and boron, and OH add into to each molecule. So we'll get this CH3 CH2 CH2 OH कतिवटा molecule थियो, तीनटा, and we'll have B, यो B सबै like यो bond break भयो with alkyl group, तीनटै alkyl group सँग bond break भयो, and now it will form bond with OH. How many? 3. So finally what you are getting is like your alcohol from alkene, okay, and here the addition followed this anti-Markovnikov rule. The screen is blank. Focus ko blank छ, please let me know. Okay, so again तिम्रो के भयो, alkene will like react with diborane. How भन्दाखेरि like बोरेन को एउटा एउटा हाइड्रोजन with replaced by this alkene group, addition हुन्छ. कसरी addition हुन्छ, the addition follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. तिम्रो यहाँ हाइड्रोजन आउँछ, यहाँ तिम्रो BH2 आउँछ, गेट इज मोनो अल्काइलेटेड बोरेन. ओके, त्यहाँदेखि अगेन इट विल रियाक्ट विथ दिस एल्किन. Again the same thing will happen, like addition will take place, and the addition follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. So तिम्रो B चाहिँ जान्छ to first carbon atom because that contain more number of hydrogen. So you here you are getting dialkylated borane. Okay, now अझै एउटा hydrogen छ, and that hydrogen will get replaced by this alkyl group, and you will get is, okay, trialkyl borane. And when you do this oxidation of trialkyl borane, you'll get alcohol and your hydroxide, borane hydroxide. Fine, problem China. Yeah. Oh, there's no space. What to do? What to do? So okay, you were, okay. So you just take screenshot of this one, la. Take screenshot of this one. I'm deleting everything. So you hope you have taken this screenshot. Final problems and it is there in book. Okay, sir. Okay, I'm deleting. Now, short form of what we can write is your alkene, sorry, diborane. Okay, B2H6 or BH3 whole 2. Now, what happens? भन्दाखेरि जुन चाहिँ H छ, okay, that will get replaced by alkyl group. अब B सँग कुन चाहिँ कार्बन, अब तिमीले यहाँबाट हेर्नु पर्यो, B सँग which carbon will go and add, or which carbon will form bond. Okay, that will decided by anti-Markovnikov's rule. So B will add to that carbon which have more hydrogen, and H will go to that carbon which have less hydrogen. So you will get is CH3, यहाँ तिम्रो hydrogen आउँछ, so CH2, okay, then single bond, किनभने एउटा molecule add हुँदैछ, then CH2, and with this your boron will form bond. Kina, because the addition follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. Fine. Now एउटा हाइड्रोजन, दुईटा हाइड्रोजन, तीनटा हाइड्रोजनलाई रिप्लेस गर्छ. No need to repeat it. हामीलाई यादै छ. Okay, 3 molecule गरिदेऊ, 3 molecule गरिदेऊ. भयो. So simple छ. So lengthy छैन. Now you do hydrolysis using hydroxide and base. भयो. What happens? The bond between B and this alkyl group will break. You will get is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. कतिवटा? तीनटा. Okay, and you will have hydroxide of borane, BOH3. Okay, this is how you can do. यो गर्दा हुन्छ तिमीले. Suppose you have again CH3, C, again CH3, then double bond CH3. Okay, so suppose you have like कोही कोही बेला दुईटा स्टेप एकैचोटि दिन्छ, 1 2 गरेर. So 1 and 2 is your H2O2, then OH minus. भाइ यो तिमीले चिन्नु, डाइबोरिन खालि यो रियाक्सनमा मात्र युज भएको छ, अरू कहीँ युज भएको छैन. इफ यु हेभ लाइक डाइबोरिन छ या हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, हाइड्रोक्साइड छ, then सोचिहाल्नु this is hydration reaction. भयो, nothing is happening, just तिम्रो water molecule add हुँदैछ at the end. भयो, बिचमा स्टेप सोध्यो भने you'll get this like trialkylated borane. एकैचोटि दिएको छ भने केही छैन. The addition, your reaction is hydration हो, and like it hydration मा water molecule add हुन्छ र this will follow anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, so there are 2 carbon here. So यो छ, okay, water molecule, यो 2 step एकैचोटि छ, water molecule will add. So तिम्रो कहाँ के add हुन्छ, anti-Markovnikov rule follow हुन्छ. So H will go to that carbon which contain less hydrogen, and OH will go to that carbon which have more hydrogen. So you'll get is CH3, CH, CH3, Okay, then single bond CH3, here OH. अघिको भन्दा different products are. Fine. Now again, suppose you have this thing. Now again, same reaction is taking place, like diboration, hydroboration, oxidation. So you यिनीहरू reagent हुन्छ. Reagent याद गर्नु त्यति नै हो. Okay. Again, addition will follow, like hydration, water molecule add हुन्छ. कहाँ add हुन्छ? Double bond identify गर. त्यहाँदेखि next step हुन्छ, which carbon have more hydrogen, less hydrogen. So यो carbon if you check, okay, so यहाँ के छ तिम्रो valency 1 2 3 4, so यसको 4 छ, so that means it will not have hydrogen, 0 हुन्छ किनभने यो तिम्रो CH3, nothing is written means CH3 हो, त्यो याद गर्नु पर्यो. Now यो कार्बनमा 1 2 and 3 छ, अझै एउटा बन्ड हुनुपर्छ र त्यो बन्डमा हाइड्रोजन हुन्छ. So here के छ, यो कार्बनमा एउटा हाइड्रोजन हुन्छ. Okay, now the addition follow anti-Markovnikov's rule, so H will go here and OH will come here. Okay, you will get product is like CH3 and यहाँ आउँछ तिम्रो OH. भयो. So हाइड्रोजनहरु no show गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So hope you have understood. फेरि aldehyde, ketone, etc. Now यहाँ के हुन्छ? Okay, your carbonyl compound, whenever your carbonyl compound, so when you do the reduction, you will get is alcohol. Okay, so जब तिमीले oxidation गर्छ, यो मैले पहिला नि बताएको, when you do oxidation of carbonyl compound, so तिमीले यो like acidहरुमा convert हुन्छ, या तिम्रो suppose if it is your ketone and all, तिमीले you will get mixture alkeneहरु पनि पुग्न सक्छ भनेर I have told you. By oxidation गर्दाखेरि you will get carboxylic acid, alkeneहरु, and when you do reduction, carbonyl compound will convert to alcohol. Okay, त्यो याद राख्नु. Now if it is your like alcohol, तिम्रो जस्तै carbonyl compound aldehyde हो, okay, if it is your aldehyde, when you do the reduction, okay, you will get is primary alcohol. So aldehyde ले यो एकदम याद गर्नु पर्यो तिमीले. Aldehyde will give 1 degree alcohol. Okay, and ketone ले तिम्रो गर्यो भने, so when you do, like you will get is 2 degree 2 degree भयो, you will get 2 degree alcohol. जस्तो के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि O double bonded O जुन चाहिँ छ, this carbonyl compound is converting to CHOH. Reduction ma CO will convert to भयो OH किनभने hydrogen add हुँदैछ हैन, so you will get is this thing. Okay, reduction ma एकदम याद राख्नु पर्यो. So if it is your aldehyde, you will get 1 degree, ketone छ भने you will get 2 degree alcohol. Fine. अब कुरा आउँछ your reducing agent. Reducing agents हरु के हो भनेर. Next is reducing. तिमीले चिन्नु पर्यो reducing agents, oxidizing agents. Okay, so oxidizing agents मा तिमीहरुको के छ? So you know potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, chromic acids, all these are like oxidation भन्ने बित्तिकै त्यो copper, hot copper ma when you pass alcohol vapor, so again that comes under oxidation. Okay, so reducing agent मा चाहिँ तिमीहरुको के हुन्छ? So यो तिमीले सानो क्लास देखि नै गर्दै आएको हो. So hydrogen use गर्छ reduction मा every time, and we use catalyst as nickel, palladium, platinum. So these are the catalysts used during reduction. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि number 2 मा छ तिमीहरुको sodium, okay, borohydride. So यो एकदम important छ तिमीहरुको, sodium borohydride maximum use गर्छ. अर्को छ lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, lithium aluminum hydride भयो. So यो पनि strong reducing agent हो. So यो यति चाहिँ तिमीहरुले यो तीनटालाई चाहिँ एकदमै याद राख्नु. अझै पनि म त्यति बेला बताइदिन्छु. But these three are the important reducing agent. and it reduces यो जस्तै alcohol aldehyde मा it reduces यसले तीनटैले reduce गर्छ carbonyl compound लाई and it will convert this to alcohol. अब तिमीहरुको suppose you have CH3 CHO. Okay, so if you are using hydrogen, okay, nickel छ then के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि like this one will convert to your alcohol. कुन चाहिँ alcohol 1 degree corresponding alcohol मा convert हुन्छ. That means there will not take place any addition of carbon. Carbon na add हुन्छ na निस्किन्छ. Corresponding means like how many carbons are there in aldehyde, same number of carbon you will get it in alcohol. Okay, so ethanol, if it is your aldehyde, तिमीले पाउँछ ethanol. So this is the product that you are going to get when you do the reduction of aldehyde. Okay, again suppose we have CH3 C double bonded O CH3. If you do reduction using lithium aluminium hydride, okay, basically you use garden expensive हो. So then what happen is like we'll get is CH3 यो जुन चाहिँ छ that will convert to COH and H CH3. Okay, so alcohol मा convert भयो. कुन चाहिँ alcohol 2 degree 1 degree. Fine. So carbonyl compound reduction गरेर easily will get it. Reduction गर्नुको लागि these are the reducing agents. Where it will reduces your carbonyl group to the COH group मा के गर्छ reduce गरिदिन्छ and you will get is 1 degree 2 degree alcohol if your compound is aldehyde ketones. ठिकै छ, very simple. Reducing agent चिन तिमीलाई सोधिबस्छ and this is very important while doing conversion. Okay, now next छ तिमीहरुको reduction of carboxylic acid गर्दा पनि पाउँछ, ester ले गर्दा पनि पाउँछ. Okay, now ester like जुन चाहिँ ester, what is ester group? This is your ester group. भयो यसले reduce हुन्छ like again, so this one will reduce by your hydrogen, palladium, nickel or platinum. Okay, and केमा reduce गर्छ again 1 degree alcohol मा you'll get CH2OH पाउँछौ. So again ester लाई reduce गर्छ तिमीहरुको lithium aluminium hydride ले पनि reduce गर्छ and you will get is like CH2 again 1 degree alcohol. Okay, but your ester will not get reduced by sodium borohydride. Okay, no reduction will take place. That means तिम्रो जुन चाहिँ ester छ that will remain as ester. There will be no change. यो याद राख्नु तिमीहरुले. ठिकै छ, त्यहाँदेखि okay, त्यहाँदेखि तिमीहरुको के छ, so जुन चाहिँ तिमीहरुको acid छ, so acid लाई lithium aluminium hydride usually preferred गर्छ. Okay, and it will convert to like again acid पनि जुन चाहिँ C, this group will convert to 1 degree alcohol है ester and acid. ठिकै छ. Now your this process is expensive. Now तिम्रो acid लाई alcohol बनाउनुको लागि first मा ester मा convert गर्छ. Converting your acid to ester is very simple. React it with alcohol गरेको छ तिमीले यो. Okay, and once you get the ester you do like reduction using hydrogen, palladium, nickel, platinum etc. So यो डाइरेक्ट गर्दा हुन्छ या यसलाई एस्टर मा कन्भर्ट गरेर यहाँ गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. ठिकै छ, तिम्रो एस्टर चाहिँ सोडियम लाइक तिम्रो यो एसिड अगेन लाइक it will get reduced by sodium borohydride using, okay, you will get is again 1 degree alcohol, but ester लाई चाहिँ reduce गर्दैन, त्यो तिमीले याद राख्नु पर्यो. Okay, alcohol is prepared by reduction process. Kokosko aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, esters. What are the reducing agent? Hydrogen, palladium, platinum, nickel, lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride. Okay, PCC हरु भने पनि छ. डाइबोरी तिमीहरुको यो mild reducing agents हरु पनि छ. Okay, so okay, so and this is very very important. के गर्दछ हामीले, we are preparing alcohol. So first we prepared alcohol from alkene, next from carbonyl compound, then next we are preparing alcohol through Grignard reagents. And what is Grignard reagent? Hope you have not forgotten this reagent. This is very important one. This is organometallic compound. Okay, and the formula of this reagent is RMgX. याद गर्नु है एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ सो R is alkyl group, X is halogen halide भयो सो तिम्रो XClBr हुन सक्छ R any alkyl group. So we can prepare alcohol from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent okay, so Mg, it is forming bond with alkyl group. So Mg is metal. So metal means they will have like electropositive like positive in nature, right? So they every have like they have tendency to lose electron, they have electropositive nature, so they will acquire partial positive bond whenever they form bond with alkyl group. So your partial positive ho bhane, so this one is your partial negative part. So त्यो याद राख्नु. So alkyl in RMgX will have partial negative character. Okay, now यो छ RMgX. So this is your partial negative, this is your partial positive. Now your Grignard reagent like react gardincha carbonyl compound. You know what carbonyl compound is? Aldehyde ketone. Okay, so now this is your formaldehyde methanol. Kina methanol? Because it have only one carbon, right? So what happen is like again carbonyl carbon ma तिमीले यो याद राख्नु पर्छ oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So यो जुन चाहिँ double bond छ त्यो oxygen ले लान्छ and it will have now partial negative charge, and carbon ले electron lose गर्दैछ, so it will have partial positive charge. Okay, now addition, now here again addition will take place. Addition कसरी take place हुन्छ यो कार्बोनिल कम्पाउन्डमा हाउ दिस ग्रिग्नाट रिएजेन्ट एड इज लाइक नेगेटिभ पार्टमा पोजिटिभ, पोजिटिभ पार्टमा नेगेटिभ जान्छ. ओके, सो इफ यु हेभ लाइक एच सी एन्ड एच सिंगल बन्ड भयो किनभने अक्सिजनले बन्ड लगेको छ एन्ड अक्सिजन हेभ नेगेटिभ चार्ज. ओके, अब जस्तै ग्रिग्नाट रिएजेन्टमा विल हेभ पोजिटिभ चार्ज भन्दाखेरि MgX. सो अक्सिजनमा को जान्छ MgX भयो. Now तिम्रो रह्यो alkyl group. So alkyl group partial negative and this carbon partial positive. So यहाँ तिम्रो जान्छ your alkyl group. Okay. हेरे सो कार्बनिक कार्बनमा एड कसरी हुन्छ अक्सिजनमा नेगेटिभ पार्ट जान्छ कार्बनमा, त्यही कार्बनिल कार्बनको कार्बनमा पोजिटिभ पार्ट जान्छ एड हुन्छ. And when you do the hydrolysis, your whole portion will get replaced by hydrogen. So you will get is कतिवटा हाइड्रोजन छ दुईटा C, then R, OH. Okay, so what you are getting here is alcohol. So kunche alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. So whenever formaldehyde with Grignard reagent gives 1 degree alcohol. MgX को के भयो भन्दाखेरि MgX will now convert to MgX and OH add हुन्छ भयो. So तिम्रो main this is your product. Number 2, again same thing. So formaldehyde भयो. So अर्को कुनै तिम्रो like aldehyde छ. So suppose you have RCHO भयो. So RCHO ला how can we write? CHO छ भने how can we write is like okay, just wait. No. So यता तिम्रो डबल बन्डेड O हुन्छ. CHO छ भने यसरी लेख. Okay, सजिलो पर्छ. So again oxygenले लान्छ. This one will become partial negative, this one will become partial positive. Then के हुन्छ? R will go to this carbon and MgX will go to oxygen. So you will get is RCH भयो. कोमा गयो MgX and this carbon कोमा गयो तिमीहरूको R. So here you are getting 2 degree alcohol. Okay, now when you do hydrolysis, again same thing will happen. MgX like will get replaced by hydrogen. So you will get is CHROH wait 2 degree alcohol from aldehyde. Formaldehyde bara euta, other than formaldehyde or aldehyde will 2 degree alcohol. Last one sir, your again Grignard reagent and ketone. Okay, same thing will happen. Very simple reaction. यो याद भयो नि तिमीलाई यो reagent घडी घडी पढी बस्नु पर्दैन reaction. Now again your alkyl group negative, this magnesium positive, oxygen will take away electron pair, so it will have negative charge. Carbon will have positive charge. So R, C, then R. So again your carbon ma को add हुन्छ R. So this R and O को मा जान्छ Mg. MgX. ठिकै छ? Then we last step हुन्छ hydrolysis. You will get a C, R, 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 and O. MgX will get replaced by H. So here you will get is 3 degree alcohol. Formaldehyde 1 degree, or aldehyde 2 degree, and ketone will give 3 degree alcohol with Grignard reagent. Okay, अब तिमीहरू गर ल. CH3 MgCl. This is your Grignard reagent. Then CH3 CH2 C के छ double bonded O ketone, aldehyde. What is A? And if you do hydrolysis, what is B? This is important reaction. You do it and send it to me through WhatsApp. गर्दै गर.